kick my leg in it.
Okay. Finally, a warm day, huh, ladies? June 22nd. June 22nd. We haven't had very many nice days yet. Okay.
Mom, I thought it was going to sprinkle it only in the fireman's hood, and it would spray everything, and it would just spray this much all the way.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
That's fun, huh?
Watch me fall on my back.
Okay.
Not mine!
Say goodbye, everybody. Brinley, can you say bye-bye?